To me, it seemed natural that Martin's work had a kind of equilibrium that Alicia's work shared. There are certain formal structural things that were obvious in this combination. Lines. I mean, these works are both about lines. These works are both about the rhythm that happens between the lines. These sculptures have a certain gravitas and weight and even humor. And I thought that the darker paintings by Martin, which were not very well known, would be a surprise and a treat. There's a certain silence and rhythm to the Martin paintings that I feel in the sculptures as well. There's like a suspended moment. The rocks are certainly a suspension in time. So we had this time sequence that seemed to permeate both of the artist's works.
Why I got so obsessed working along this time topic is because it's probably the most personal force which is surrounding our lives, right? How can you understand it? What is it? I was kind of trying to look at this watch as I see it, but to kind of see it moving. And so I started to take that apart and to use real clock hands and glue them to a wall and then measure this space in time at the end of the space. I can truly say how long it is in time. So I'm saying in this case, it's 219 days and 23 hours. And this is a truth, as the truth would be that it is so and so many inches or feet or meters or, so it's just, kind of, questioning the systems and trying to look at it from an objective, surreal side. I had this idea that her paintings will be like hanged over this line. I just imagine her like doing this, physically on this canvas, and then this line, my line, somehow is, crawling behind, almost behind the skin. It's like a private moment almost.
When the work goes together, it somehow has this immediate contemporary feeling. The paintings could have been made yesterday, and the sculptures, with this acute sense of the moment, were made yesterday.
It unveiled so perfectly when we opened the pieces, and then it was like really like a perfect match.
The paintings knew just where they wanted to be with the sculptures. But Martin always said to me, push the paintings around and they'll tell you where they want to hang. So they told us.